First thing you want to do is you want to completely close Netflix and reopen the app. If the error still appears, restart your phone, TV, or streaming device or computer. Next thing you're going to want to do is you want to check your internet connection by opening up a different app or website, and then restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plug it back in and wait for the connection to return. You can also sign out of your Netflix account and sign back into your account and make sure that the app is fully up to date, or the software on your device is also fully up to date. If that does not work, you want to simply clear the Netflix app cache, even if it's on your TV or computer or phone, whatever you're watching this on, and basically your data will just confirm it's strong. So you can simply delete Netflix and reinstall it. Finally, you want to turn off any VPN, proxy, or custom DNSs or ad blocking services that might be interfering with the connection, because this is pretty strict on Netflix's terms. Last thing you want to do is you want to check your device's date and time are set automatically, and then open up Netflix and try again to playing a different movie or show. One of these fixes should remove the error and get your Netflix to be working again.